back to my channel. It's your girl Latoya right here to give you advices and tips on your skincare and products review. So you guys, oh my god, the sun is shining, it's feeling so good. Grab a cup of tea, grab everything what you want. Just look, you see, your girl is right here. We are doing today my long-awaited skincare routine, you guys. Yeah, it's not all about just showing the products, hearing about it whatsoever, but seeing a person use it on their own skin makes two different. So you guys, stay tuned and keep on watching. So the first thing first, like as usual, wash your face and I'll be right back. So now my face is wet, as you guys can see. I'm going to go in with my cleanser. In the morning I really don't cleanse them, just take cold water and wash my face like that. That brings off all the product residue from the night before. So I forgot my cleanser. What I'm going in, I stopped using it. I have a little bit of it. It's the Shiseido deep cleanser form. I used to use it, so I'm gonna run out of it and then I'm not gonna use it anymore. Oily to combination skin, like it strips a little bit of moisture from my skin, what I really don't like. I tend to get dry flakes, but I'm using this right now. This is how much the amount of it. Rub it up in my hands and then I'm going in on my face. Let me give you guys a tip to see if this cleanser is like really working. So your skin 1 minute. So this is what I'm gonna do, and see you guys till I come back. So you guys, so this is my skin fully cleansed and it looks like I strip a little bit of moisture from my skin. Sometimes I leave the water on my face so my skin can suck back in moisture. Next step, what I do, and when I still have like water residue on my face, I have extra towels. Please you guys, get extra towels for your face. Do not use the same towel what you're using for your body. Do not use it for your face. This made a big impact on my skincare routine. Is pat dry your face like me. This is what I'm doing. I'm pat drying it. So this is my face, fresh and clean. I have nothing else on my face. And in between I like to be sipping on my tea because it's like I said, it's my morning routine. And I noticed also drinking green tea has really a big impact on not inside, also on the outside. So my next step in my skincare routine is using one of my favorite, you guys, I talk so much about it, is my Paula's Choice 2% BHA exfoliant. So I do not use a cotton pad. I tend to use it in my hands like that, and I put it all over my face like this. Be gentle with your skin. Be very gentle with your skin. Don't forget, this is what you want to look like in the next 20-40 years. You want your skin to look good and everything, and that's why I took it upon me and start doing a skincare routine. I place that, and what I like to do it, place it also in the back of my hands. You know, the rest of the products, just keep on wiping it on your hands because you know you want youthful hands too as well. So while that is drying, sometimes I put on my just do my hair or whatsoever, but in this case I sip on my tea. The Paula's Choice is like a little bit dry already. The next thing what I like to go in with is, I've been using this for a while and you guys know it's very good. It's my 15% vitamin C serum from the THEINKEYLIST. You guys, let me tell you, this was also a game changer. I use like one pump in my hand. As you guys can see, it's just one pump, and I rub it up and I pat it all over my face. I use one pump of the vitamin C and this is really good. So I place that all over my skin. I came to you guys to be showing you this because it's like very important to me. So once I put on my vitamin C, I then go in with one favorite thing. You guys, you saw it on my product review, what I did, my updated skincare in fall and winter, using the vitamin E from Pure Healthy Priority. I love using this right here, and what I do, I like squeeze up, pump it up, and I go in and add like this, even stuff on my neck. This is what I do, and I go ahead, rub that in like this all of my smile lines. One thing I noticed, ladies, do not pull down your face, just make sure like massage your face. It's also in the morning, it's like very good. Take your time. Sometimes you're like in a rush, but really take your time and take care of your skin. What I noticed, I used to just wash my face, cleanse my face, slap on my cream, and that's it. And since like I started to like really take really good care of my skin, I just see my skin just looking more youthful and everything is going really well. So after the vitamin E, what I like to go in with is my moisturizing cream, and I'm like I told you guys, I'm using the ESTEÈ DAYWEAR. I'm using right here. So I slap this on my face like this. You can also rub it up in your hands, but I like to like put it on my face like that. And then I go ahead and put up in. It may seem like a lot, but it's not a lot. Products is going on here, because don't forget, like once you start getting older, you start getting a certain amount like issues on your skin. You start to get maybe wrinkle, or you start to get hyperpigmentation like me. I started getting that in my early 20s, so you have to really take care of that. How glowy my skin looks. Like my skin is already so glowy, nice, very moisturized, hydrated. It may look like, it seems like if I'm oily, but I'm not oily. It's just my skin is really hydrated. Ladies and gentlemen, to the final step of my skincare, second to last step of my skincare routine is my sunscreen. You know how important this is. My holy grail. It doesn't matter what I'm doing, if I'm putting on makeup or anything, my final step will always be my sunscreen. Don't check out my video all about sunscreen and what is really good. No white cast, no ashiness or anything. Click right up here in the info box and you will get all the information about it. I shake it up. I shake that up and stuff. I take like this amount, because this amount right here, rub it up in my hands and place this all over. You can actually see I have no white cast, none whatsoever. I take it by my ears, my neck. Please, with your neck, go up like this with your neck, and on my chest. The last thing, rub it up, taking all the products on the back of my hands. And last but not least, my final product will be whether a lip balm or the lip oil. I got this from my bestie. She gave me this for my birthday. It's a lip oil right here, and this is what I do. I used to wear, I used to wear like lip oils and everything before, so this is what I do. I put on a little bit of lip oil, and this is my skin, people. All moisturized, hydrated. I go to work like this. Sometimes after all this skincare routine and stuff, I start putting on makeup for my day. Depends on where I'm going or what I have going on in my all-day life. That is that. Let me know what is your products, what you use for your skincare routine, and comment down in the comment section. You guys, if you are interested in any of these products, let me know. Some of my videos where I actually talk about certain products right here in this video. So those were everything what I had to tell you about all these products right here. And if you like my videos and stuff, don't forget to subscribe right down here below, give this video a thumbs up, and click on the notification bell, and stay tuned for more. See you in the next one. Bye. Have a safe day.